Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SmartMove for tenant screening, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SmartMove website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your SmartMove account. On the dashboard, find and click on the tenant screening option. Select the type of screening you wish to perform. Enter the prospective tenant's information, including their name, email, and phone number. Choose the screening package that suits your needs. Review the privacy policy and obtain consent from the tenant. Once consent is secured, submit the screening request. Wait for the tenant to complete their part of the application. SmartMove will notify you when the tenant has submitted their information. Access the results through the dashboard once they are ready. Review the comprehensive report, which includes a credit check and background check. Analyze the key findings, such as credit score, rental history, and any criminal background. Decide based on the screening results whether to proceed with the tenant. If you choose to accept the tenant, prepare the lease agreement. If you need more information, don't hesitate to contact SmartMove's customer support. Follow up with the tenant regarding the next steps in the renting process. Make sure to store the screening report securely for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.